Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back today, September the 9th, 2022. Let's talk about Tesla because apparently I've been noticing a couple of Wall Street analysts upgrade their recommendation for Tesla and also their price targets. We're going to look at one today and try to see how high they're looking for Tesla to go. And we're going to look from the chart to see if that's actually the case, because not only have I noticed what people have been saying about Tesla and where the price is going to go, I've also noticed it on the price chart. And when we see these things occur on the price chart and we can certify what other people are saying, we can kind of believe what they're saying. So if you guys want to join me, welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do the price predictions. I make sure that we understand how to maneuver in the stock market. So check this out. Let's look at this article first. Okay, this is the article right here from TSLA. And it's written from Simon Alvarez. Okay, now, of course, Tesla went through a stock split, right here on the 25th of August, 2022. And following that split, did the market go up? No, instead, price went down. Following that stock split, August the 25th, price has fell about 10.5%. Okay, now we're currently seeing the market in Tesla begin its elevation, its rise higher in price. So yeah, the split kind of came with no fanfare, right? The market really didn't react to the split. But however, Tesla seems to be earning quite a bit of approval from Wall Street. Tesla received an optimistic outlook from Wolf Research, which upgraded Tesla shares from market perform to outperform. Now here's the analyst right here, Rod. He raised his price target for the electric vehicle maker from $317 to $360. $317 to $360. So we're going to look at that on the chart and let's see how high that is. So he has a price target first around $317. Okay, which is right here where I have my horizontal line. He has raised it to $360, which is 13%. Okay, from $317 to $360 is around 14%. Now from where the price currently is, that's almost 25%. So either case, that's a pretty good run. Now usually analysts and people on Wall Street give price targets on annually basis, 12 months. They don't try to give you a 5-year, a 10-year price target like these YouTubers do. No, they give you something more realistic, and that it looks probable for us to see Tesla run to 317 definitely, but to 360, yes, in the next 12 months, that's doable. But we're going to look at the chart to confirm that though. Okay, they also have increased Tesla's EV penetration estimates for the United States from 10% to 20%, all because of the Inflation Reduction Act that was passed by the United States government. They also raised their 2023 and 2025 earnings per share estimates from $6.12 and $12.70 to $7.40 and $16 per share. All right, so now let's get back to the chart, because in order for us to certify what this individual is saying, we need to look at the price. Let's look at the chart. Now, first of all, I did my video in Tesla. The last one was on September the 4th. Okay, I was still playing the weekends into the market, but obviously the 2 days following September the 4th, price has gone up. So it's telling me something. It's telling me that we may need to come in and readjust the situation in Tesla. Hopefully you was able to grab some of this profitability into the market at Tesla here, because at the bottom could have got about 8%. But if you couldn't do it, if you were to get out the market on the close of yesterday, it's around 0.5% loss. Let's go ahead and cut that out. I wanted to show you all the weekly chart into the market in Tesla first of all, because like I said, if Rod is looking for the market in Tesla to go to 360, we already know that 317 is going to be a problem, or 316. We already know that. So rather than us really focus on $316 right now, we need to focus on 317 first. We need to stair step this movement higher in Tesla. Now, last week we did see weakness, but this week the market has recovered from the down move the previous week. So it tells me that the demand, the buyers are coming into the market in Tesla. Looks as if $300 is going to be tagged as well outside of $300. Definitely 315 to 320 will be that next area for us to see Tesla run into. Now we got what, 8 hours and 42 minutes left on this last 2 weekly price bar in Tesla. Look at that. Now the market is not telling us any stories. It's the truth. We have to take it as such. The last two weekly price bars, we did see selling come into the market in Tesla, but now, even though we saw selling on this current 2 weekly price bar, the market is closing at the high end of the bar, which tells me that there's still some strength here. The buyers are trying to run the yard. They're trying to control this space. So we're going to look for the market to go up in Tesla. We're just going to simply follow what the herd is doing, what the smart money is doing. They're trying to take this price in Tesla higher. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and continue to look for the market in Tesla to go up. Now, if my screen hurry up and refresh, we are going to go ahead and continually move forward into our prediction. Okay. So now let's go ahead and cut that out. Look at this on the 5-day chart. So we have, this is the current 5-day price bar. I'm not going to be too reliant upon it because we still have 4 days left, 3 days. You guys can see that we're currently trending higher. And this is the last completed 2-day price bar right here. Let me show you this information. We all can see how wide that spread bar is, right? The market is continually trying to move up in price. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. We're going to play some strength here into the market in Tesla. Okay. Now, Rod, or the analyst from Wolf Research, is looking for 360. That's possible, but for me, we're just going to take our time, right? We want to see hurdles. We want to see the buyers jump over these hurdles in order for us to get confirmation that that is going to happen. Okay. So my first price targets will be right here around 300. You guys can see that's 3.65%. My second one is going to be up here around like 310 to 315. That is 8 3/4. Okay. That's how far I'm going to take it right now. I'm not going to take it all the way up there to 360 like Rod is, because the next hurdle will be 325. So depending on how fast this market in Tesla trends higher, I'll come back in and do an updated price prediction and look for the market to come to 325, because that would be my third price target, would be 325. Okay. So there we are. We are in position looking for the market in Tesla to continue to trend higher. And we're going to continue to expect that as long as the price holds $265. All right, so I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Do you think that Tesla warrants a recommendation of outperform? Do you think the price target should be increased? If you do, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.